Hey guys, it's Randy here again. I've got Wendy joining me. This is number 5 on our series of 5 boot camp videos that we want to create for you guys to help you get up to speed. The purpose of these videos is we've created 5 and kind of some step-by-step short videos that will help walk you through getting your store set up, all the way from an overview that covers a little bit of everything. And the second video was building a product. The third's building campaigns. The fourth is collections and pages. And today we're going to show you just a few little things like changing your logo on your site and what else you can do with the menu. Again, the purpose of these are, what we hope you'll do is that you'll watch these 5 short videos before you come to an onboarding call. And we're going to start having larger groups of onboarding calls that will try to get you guys up to speed even faster. What we'd like for you to do is watch all 5 before you join us on a call. And then before the start of each call, we will have 1 per day in a series over a week's time that we will get into more detail with each one of these. So what we hope you'll do as well is go back. If the call is the second one on building a product, we hope that you'll watch that one over again. Join us on the call. We will get into more detail of it, and then we will spend half the time on questions and answers. And hopefully this process will move everybody along much faster. So what I want to show you first with this one is, how to add your logo up here. So to do that, you go into your Divi settings, and this is where your logo or your favicon come in right here. I don't have a favicon set for this one yet. I'll have to make it. But on this one, I'm going to just add the logo that I put on my campaigns that I did in my business settings, and save changes. Make sure I save changes. Okay. And then go check my site. So again, I added that logo in there, and so I have that in my site. I like it small in a comfortable area here. So again, we showed you in the past how to go into your business settings and add that for your campaigns and your even in the thank you pages and all that. You can set your logo in these 2 areas in your business settings. But to get it site-wide, again, you're going to go to your Divi, and you're going to upload it. If you don't have it in there, you'll drag it into your media file. Just set your logo here, save the changes, and now you have that in your Divi theme site-wide. Okay. So I also want to show you a little bit what you can, how to change your menus and some of the items in there. You go into Appearances, and we'll go to Customize first. This is an area that you need to just kind of get familiar with and play with different things. If you don't save the changes, you won't hurt anything. But you can go to your general settings. You can see the layout, background areas, the header and navigation. Take a look at all these menu items, get an idea of what they do. There's a lot of things we'll spend more time on. Menus, the main menu and the footer. Take a look at these. I want to show you something right now real quick on what you can change. If you go back to the appearance, go to menus. This is your primary menu, the main or the footer. So in the main menu, this is the area up at the top. Here's one that you'll probably want to change right away. This is the 800 number or any kind of phone number if you'd like to have that baked in. And you can just change it like this. And then save the change. Now, until you're ready to have your phone number, if your store is small and you don't have the customer service set up to have somebody 24/7 to answer the phone, or if you don't have it set up where it will go to recording, it's easier just to leave it off. But certainly as your store gets stronger and you've got more customers, you're going to want to set that up. So back here, I'll show you where I just changed it. Up here in this main menu, this is where I changed that there. You see your categories. You can make your changes in that right here by going to, these are the categories that we had here. Essentially what you're doing is attaching a page. When you build a page, I'll just add one to show you. Again, you can put it right here. I'll show you how that shows up. See how it lines up right like that? Or if you want, we're kind of a subcategory, you can just move it over to the right side of it and show you what that looks like. Our gifts and accessories. Then it comes out and it takes you over this way. I'm going to remove it from this site just by removing it. Save my changes. So there are a lot of things that you want to get familiar with in your appearances. Go spend a little bit of time, look at the customize and the menus, the background, all these things, and just get a little bit familiar with it. Again, if you don't save changes, you're not going to hurt anything there. And again, we can always walk you back through that. So I hope this series has helped you a little bit. We look forward to creating these larger group onboarding calls. Again, we hope that you'll watch the entire series once through. They're about 15 to 25 minutes each. And then go back before on the day that we're going to have that particular series. Watch that again. So when you're on the call, you're more familiar with what we're talking about. We plan on getting into more detail in about an hour's time, and then spending as much time as we can for questions and answers. And we hope this really helps everybody. So thank you very much, and we look forward to working with you.